Just a little afternoon mist.
This is the afternoon?
Right before the sunset. As you can see, the mist is pretty darn thick. But what's a person to do? Got an albatross flying in. There he goes. And down there, about a quarter mile, is the Crystal Pier, but you can't see it because the mist. Oh well. Seems to be blanketing most of the area as it comes in with a northerly wind. That's the hotel up there. But as you can see, makes for good sleeping weather. Oh, there goes that bastard again. There's Marm, snapping pictures. Right about now is high tide. And as you can see, the girls are having a blast. They don't give a care. Faye, say cheese! Julia is on the injured reserve list. She hurt her leg. We don't know how, but we think it could be dangerous. This will be an awesome night for beer on the patio and a last night stogie. What more could someone ask for in the middle of winter? There's my wacky wife. Faye! That's all for now.